Mitraya Namaha. Welcome to VSP Teneti channel, Energy Circles. I am Dr. Harish Teneti, and today I am going to talk about 5 thought processes you need to always have with you to have a better life, happy life. And if you can implement these 5 thoughts whenever you are in trouble or whenever you want to your life to be happy, you have to dwell on these 5 things. And once you start thinking about them, your life will become better. And I am just your friend. I am doing little research, writing some important point, interesting points, not giving you stories and all, just putting 5-6 important points and trying to make a video. I am not enlightened or I am not a guru, or I am not trying to create any cult. This is just an attempt to interact so that we all become pushed towards spirituality. Truly spiritual is absolutely an attempt to just put another perspective. This is not ultimate, this need not be everything, this need not be correct also. You have to do your own research and progress forward, right? In this journey, we are all together, and if you have any doubts, please put it in the comment section, we will talk. And then this video is absolutely useful. I thought this will be really important, so watch till the end, right? First thought you need to always have in your mind to have a better and happy life is, I think most of the gurus will tell you this, that your life is getting over. You are going to die. You should remember this. Your time is limited here and you're going to die. So you have to constantly work on what is actually needed. Why did you come into this life, and what is actually the purpose of your life? You have to keep searching for it and start working on it. This is the top number 1 thing I want all of you to keep in your mind. Not worry about you will die, but you should remember that someday you will die, right? So, and that is also a limited time. So I want every moment of your life to be happy, exuberant, exaggerated, beautiful, and fantastic life. I want you to have, right? I really want you to have an exaggerated big life rather than think small, live in a negative world. So because somehow we are all going to die. So I want you all to be positive, working towards something, really have a goal and start achieving something. Be very, very happy and make your life prosperous. In the spiritual journey as well as in the materialistic life, all I want you to do is remember that don't cling on to things. Start moving forward and make some progress in life and be very, very, very happy, because at the end of the day, we are all going to die. So this is the first thing you should remember, right? The second thought process, your thinking or your thoughts or your imagination or what you think in your mind need not be rubbed onto people, or your thought processes or what you are going in your mind is not bothered about anyone. Everyone has their own story, everyone has their own mindset, everyone are in their own world, everyone are their own heroes in their own autobiographies. So your thinking or your thoughts or your emotional drama, what is happening in your brain, need not be everyone's opinion. So everyone's opinions may be different and you need not rub onto them or you need not fight for them. Your thoughts, your thinking doesn't mean anything to people, anything to the world. So if you have something, you need not worry about what they are thinking, you need not worry about that. You stick on to what you have to do. Okay, that is very, very important. Your thinking, your thoughts, your emotional drama doesn't mean anything to the world. So if I do this, what they will think, if I do that, what they will think. Stop all this. You do what is needed. At the same time, you do what is that you want with the dharma and satya margam. That is, you should do whatever you want, but that should be within the rules and regulations. That just because you can do whatever you want to do doesn't mean that you behave rudely or you talk nonsense or you slowly have to improve yourself rather than diminish. Right? This is very, very important. So your thinking, your thought process, it doesn't mean anything to the world. So do what you like from full heart and content, right? Next is, be a part of the solution always. Never be a problem. Never be problem to anyone. This is most important rule, that whenever you are you are in this life format, remember that you should be part of a solution. You should never be part of a problem. You should never cause problem to anyone. At maximum time, majority of your life, you should be creating solutions rather than problems to someone, cursing someone or talking someone on some nonsense, creating troubles to people. No, be a part of solutions. The third and the most important point is be always part of a solution rather than dwell in the problem, worry and cause problems to others. Always try to be the part of the solution. Then your life will be beautiful. You will be really seeing ascension in your life rather than worrying, cursing someone or being in wrong things, doing wrong things just by supporting your own philosophies. Don't do anything wrong to anyone or anything in this universe. Never be in that path. Always be part of solution rather than the problem. Next is, don't think negative will happen to you. People generally have this mindset of what if this happens to me, what this virus comes to me, what this disease happens to me, or what if I don't get a job, what if this, because I am not getting job from past 4 years, now also I will not get job. So this, stop thinking negative. Even though you don't have anything to think positive, stop thinking negative. This is very, very important that make it a conscious habit of not thinking negative. No matter how bad your situation is, at least for thinking sake, think positive, right? And you may ask me, will only my thinking change everything? May not change everything. You are thinking, just because you think everything will happen good to me, need not give you good results. But even though you think negative, even that will not help you, right? So it is good that you think at least positive and be happy rather than thinking negative and dwell and worry in that problem. Think positive and be happy rather than thinking, even though you think positive, nothing will happen, and even though you think negative, nothing will happen, right? So at least to think, you have to think positively, right? This is very, very important. Next is, think what you want and also understand that you will get what you deserve. This is very, very important. Think what you want and also remember that you will get what you deserve. That is why I tell you, improve what you deserve rather than worrying about you wanted something, you did not get that. Remember that you will get only what you deserve, and also you have to constantly try to improve your life so that you deserve better. God has to think that you deserve better and has to give such an opportunity to make your life better. So all you have to do is think what you want, at the same time improve yourself to become that deserved person, right? So this is also very, very important. These are the 5 thoughts I want you to dwell on. These are the 5 thoughts which will make your life a better place, and I will just repeat them again for the sake of remembering. First is time flies, time will not stay forever, so you have limited time. Very, very important that you are going to die. Don't worry about how you are going to die, but start living your life better. Second is your thinking, your thoughts, unnecessary worrying, unnecessary that brain game. Don't get into the trap. Doesn't mean anything to the world. Do what you want, do what you like, and be happy with it. Next is, be part of a solution always. Never worry or dwell in the problem. Next is, don't think negative to yourself. No matter how bad the situation is, think positive. And also the fifth and important thing is, think what you want. Also understand that you will get what you deserve. These are the 5 points which will make your life much, much, much better, and this will overall improve your quality of life. And there are so many other points also. You may be knowing some other better points. You have to make them a note, put it on your wall, and every day see that. And you know what, this will really help you. This will really help you to make yourself a better person day by day. So some good thoughts, some good ideas, you have to write it down, put it on a wall, and start remembering them, start working, and start applying them into your life. You may be knowing so many scriptures, so many Vedas, so many good things, but if you don't apply them, there is no point. So start applying them eventually. You need not become overnight, you may not become a great person. We even every day to day we have to struggle. Every day, even great rishis and munis also, they again fall back and they again get up and go for penance, right? They do a lot of penance, then they see something, they get angry. You see Vishwamitra, he becomes angry, he puts shrap, and then again he has to go back to do his penance. So whenever you are improving, sometimes you have those setbacks, but again you have to come back and constantly work on them and improve yourself day by day. So that is how it happens, and I hope this video gave you some insight. And these 5 points, I want you to write it down and put it on a wall. Start memorizing them and start implementing them. You have something else also, you can put it in the wall, daily see them, apply them, and during situations you have to start working on them and implementing them in your life. Then your life will be beautiful. And I hope this video gave you some insight. And thank you so much for subscribing, and thank you so much for listening. And if you like it, please put it in the comment section. If you liked it, please share it. And I will see you in the next video. Mitraya Namaha.
Mitraya Namaha. Welcome to Energy Circle's VSP 1080 channel. Thank you for the amazing response. Please do not forget to pass it on and subscribe. Thank you very much. Aditya Sakshi, Sampurna Raksha.